So there's some more of that communication coming in as those heavy pulses. And there's a constant beam on me. And that clicking in the background, that's Wi-Fi. So now you hear how much communication I'm hit with. That was communication. So was that. And so was that. So was that. So it's constant. And that was as well. So that's communication, and then that's physical harm also. So that's being attacked by radio frequencies in a biological attack, a neurostrike. This is an electronic weapon system being ran on me right now, without a doubt. No matter where I go, this will be happening. You hear the beam? And then there's the communication pulse inside of it. So I currently have a military/intelligence community beam of psyops locked onto my body, and I have had that locked onto my body for 3,000 plus days now, while this corruption continues. I'm pulsed in the head with this every single day. My entire 20s have been stolen from me by the CIA and the affiliated parties that do this to Americans.